Mono kwa mikasa na siya longo, longo. Mono kwa mikasa na siya longo, longo. Yani kafundi zingulu zangani yaya, yani kainke ntwangani yaye, ebo ebebo, yani kakangwa kindo kikampimpa yaya, yani kain susu zangani yaye, ebo ebebo. Yani kafundi zingulu zangani yaya, yani kainke ntwangani yaye, ebo ebebo, yani kakangwa kindo kikampimpa yaya, yani kain susu zangani yaye, ebo ebebo. Lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala, lusala mboteza no kwanikere sasa yaya, lusala nzambia nikoni makumbaka yaye, ebo ebebo. Lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala, lusala mboteza no kwanikere sasa yaya, lusala nzambia nikoni makumbaka yaye, ebo ebebo. Lusale, lusala, 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 lusale, lusala. Mono kwa mikasa na nzia longo, longo. Mono kwa mikasa na nzia longo, longo, longo. Longo, longo. Zebelen zunganenje chimuna muna kechilombo jata. Beso mani mamweni mina kechilombo mona. Loko mani mashimbi di bina kechilombo shimba. Beni twali mweni mina kechilombo mona. See Zebelen tunganenje chimuna kechilombo jata. Beso mani mamweni muna kechilombo mona. Oko mani mashimbi di muna kechilombo shimba. Ni twani himweni muna kechilombo mona. Wo Ntotonto anelewe kana mabancho mamingime sambu bya bancho bya bingipye akanda manzo yicho mamingime Ntotonto anelewe akanda mabancho mamingime sambu bya bancho bya bingipye akanda manzo yicho mamingime Jedi banza mutai nimero kakakwana tekela
Kiambote.
Oh, thank you very much for coming. I like your top, Dr. David. Very nice. Boo. Oh, let me greet people. Welcome, Gizambote. Vamudutala una dutondele. Aí, sikole, ndinga kikongo tulonganga, konsoga lumingo, yapangi zetu azingila kuna America. Dutondele. Kwa bina babo vangingelezo. Aí, sikole. Well, thank you very much. Welcome. If you're watching, don't move, please. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of the Congo Kingdom, spoken in Tatamabiala. We can't hear you. You're mute.
Congo Brazzaville, Congo Kinshasa, Angola, and Gabon.
Well done. Thank you very much. Kimfompa Pinga. Yes. Congo tradition will never die. Will never, because see young people are here learning Kikongo. Okay, Tete Nerugeni, Kiambote.
I'm not sure on the response, but I'm doing well. How is everybody else doing?
Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Anyway, we're going to come back to that one next time. Greeting.
Okay.
Kiambote. Okay. Yes. Wow, you're taking a lot, you know. You're doing well. Questions? Any question about the last lesson? Because I'm going to test you now. A quick test before we move to a new topic.
We was talking about can you Kalendi ko lendi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Questions about that? Question, no? No? Tata Neudeni?
No questions.
Okay. I mean, from now on, we need to use Kilendi. Whenever you are asked, you need to answer a question, try to use negative so that we can practice Kilendi and the insistence pronoun. Yes? Okay. Talking about insistence pronoun, let's go. Kwenda means.
I
Sorry?
do have one question,
Go
Tata.
ahead, David.
I'm just trying to remember when we use the form lenda and when we use the form lendi.
Okay. Lendi is your negative. Let me just pull the fan. Is your negative auxiliary, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I don't want to show the file. I just want to remember. I want to learn. Good question, Dad David. You are ahead of me. Okay. I'm coming back to that soon.
Okay.
Lenda is the verb, the infinitive. Right? We use lendi as a auxiliary for negative. Lenda is can, verb can, yes? Question, Tata Nerudeni. To go, I can't, you're going to translate it into Kikongo, yes? Using using lendi and the pronoun of insistence. When I say I can't come at all, we have insistence there, yeah, at all. Then we have a can't, kilendi. Then yes, can you translate into Kikongo, please? To go.
To go?
Yeah, negative. I can't go. I can't go.
Or I can't go.
I'm sorry. It's me. Sorry. To come. I can't come at all.
To come, I think, is Kwenda. Is that correct? Kwenda?
Kwenda is to go.
No, Kwiza to come.
Yeah, well done. Okay.
Okay, Kwiza.
Use your lendi and the pronoun of insistence, please. I'll give you a hint. Always remember we have a key on the far left and ko on the far right, yes?
Yeah, so you want me to use Kwiza or you want me to use Lendi? You're saying use both.
No, remember lendi is your auxiliary. Lendi is not your verb. Your verb is
okay. Kwiza. Okay.
Yes.
So ki Kwiza Lendi Kwameko.
Yeah, good. You did. Yeah, let me try to help. Let me try to explain. Lendi, your auxiliary always before your verb, and the pronoun of insistence after the verb. Yes, that's one better.
Mm-hmm.
Your lendi, I mean, I will go. Will always comes before your verb, yeah? Am I right? Isn't it? Yeah. Always before your verb. We never say I go will. I will. So lendi is your will. In this case, let's put it this way. It's your auxiliary.
So Kilendi, Kwiza, Kwameko.
Bravo, yeah. Always remember, ki, far left, ko, the far left. It doesn't matter how long the sentence is. Let me try to give you a sentence. Kizolele kwenda yendona muntu unampangyame kunanzoe toko. Did you hear that? It's too long. The sentence is long, yeah? But it's a negative. Ki doesn't matter how many words follow. At the end you have ko. Are you with me? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Either ki, ko, or ka, ko, but double negative, ki, On the far left, ko on the far right. Well done, Tata Nurudeni. Tata Mabiala. To go. Sam, I can't go at all. I mean, we're using the insistence, please.
Kikwenda kwameko.
Yeah, but you need to use, you can't.
Okay. Kilendi kwenda kwameko.
Bravo, yes. Nengwa tadiwa. We can't go at all.
Okay. Ketu.
Well done, yes.
Katulendi kwenda kwetoko.
Bravo, yes. Tata David, second plural, please. You people, Tata David, you can't go at all.
Okay. To go. Kukwenda lendi. No. Kulenda kwenda. Hold on. Kulendi kwenda kwamiko.
We're talking about second plural. Kalu, remember? Kalu.
Oh, that's right. That's
remember plural, first plural, tu, lu, baobe. But because we use the negative, of course we use ka, kalulendi or kelulendi. Can you try to tell David? Kelu.
Yeah. I got the ka part right, but forgot it should be kalu. Right.
Oh,
so,
it doesn't matter. Kalu or kelu. Yes. You many, yes.
Yes.
Kalu, yes.
Kalu kwenda, no.
You lendi before the verb, then your insistence after the verb.
Kalu lendi kwenda kwamiko.
Kwenoko. Remember kwenoko. Kwame.
Bueno, that's right. I'm sorry.
No, right. Remember eno, ame aku en, yes. Tata Nurudeni, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, they can't go at all. They can't go. Third plural, please.
Third plural. So,
ka, your negative in this case, ka first, yes.
Still ka to.
Them, they can't go.
Oh, kaba.
Bravo.
Kaba lendi kwenda kwaoko.
Bravo, yeah, well done, yes. Are we there? Yes. Yeah. Okay, to eat. In Kikongo, to eat.
Kudia.
Use a remover. I know where you're coming from, but this is Kikongo has many variants, but here our infinitive is, we don't use ku. Yeah? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, now you understand why we don't use it. Otherwise, we are playing now, we're using ku or ka, ki as a negative, double negative. Kiko.
Okay.
That's why
to E is because
that grammar kudia is infinite. Understand why, but we are coming from different school of, let's say school of grammar, Kikongo grammar. Okay, Tata, what was my question there? Dia, Dia, you're right, to eat. Okay, I can't eat at all. Tata, Biela.
Kija kwameko. Kilendi.
Yeah.
Kilendi
yes.
kwameko.
You were right, but we just for the sake of the lesson, you know, keep using kilendi and insistence. Tata, Nilden, yes.
Ingeta.
Whenever you ask even any question at all, answering negative, just use kilendi and Lendi and insistence. Just we need to keep it. We just want to make sure that we digest it. It's there forever. Any question? We're moving to new grammar now. You're doing well. This is Congo. Any questions, Tata David?
No, this is all right.
Okay, you're doing well. Okay, now I'm introducing new new topic. Not easy. Kikongo, eh? Kikongos. It is Kikongo, of course. Yes. Can you just put it like this? Can you read it? Yeah? Is it visible? Can you see it?
Ingrid.
Tutonde. Tata David, can you help us, please? First paragraph, can you read for us?
Okay. The interjection. The interrogative interjection is used at the end of an interrogative sentence which has no interrogative pronouns or adverbs, as in ei, ki, kia, nani, to mark its interrogative character. But when such interrogative verbs, adverbs, or pronouns are present, it is not used.
Wow, Tata David, thank you very much. I like your pronunciation, Kikongo. Wow, it is in the blood, you know. Nki, nkia, nani. Remember, Kikongo is a tonal language. Your tone, the way you pronounce a word, give it meaning. That's an Erudian, yes? Very, very important.
Yes.
I mean, it is a responsibility, no? Because the way you say it, the meaning comes from you, basically, yes. Okay, we're talking about E. Letter E. I mean, Kikongo would say A. A, ki, kia, nani. Basically, we use A at the end when we're not using A, ki, kia, or nani. Are you with me? Is it clear? Yes? You're off.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Is it clear?
Yeah. So can you say that again, please?
Yeah. Basically, generally speaking, Kikongo question is end with the A at the end. Quiz, Lunama Vimpie. Remember, we all listen. Remember that, yes? You're off. We always put A at the end. Lunama Vimpie. But when you're using pronouns, adverbs, A, inki, inkia, nani, you don't use A at the end, yes? That's an order, yes?
Okay.
Any Kikongo sentence at the end, when you put A, is your question. When I say Lunama, if I say Lunama Vimpi, no A at the end, I'm affirming. It is not a question. Yeah, yes?
Okay.
When I say Lunama Vimpi, I'm affirming, I'm saying you are well.
Okay.
As soon as I put A, I'm saying Kikongo, put A, E. At the end, it becomes question. Yes?
Okay.
This is a general rule. Lunama Vimpi mean you are well. I'm affirming. If I say Lunama Vimpi, this is the question. Yes? This is a rule of thumb.
I suppose we'll get there, but my question just comes in when you use it's saying the interrogative pronoun or adverb a, enki, kia, and nani. What is the meaning? But I suppose we'll get there, so it's okay.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Thank you very much there. Yeah, but basically, these are the questions by themselves. I mean, yes, quote unquote. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Well, ki mean what? See?
Oh, I see.
Ki mean what? In kia, almost kia. In kia is almost ki. Nani who? Nani means who.
Okay.
So it's a question. You start as soon as you use the pronoun a, ki. It is a question. the question will follow. So you don't use a at the end. But any questions at all in Kikongo, any a, it is. I mean, any sentence, any a is a question. The exception is this one.
Mhm.
Any questions? Then what tell you?
No, no
So
question.
if you, in your second example there, if you simply say gautendele, it would mean he's grateful. That would just be an affirmation that he's grateful.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
You need to put a e. I'm saying Kikongo at the end. E at the end. Yes, that's the question.
Mhm.
Exception when you're using nga nani. See, nani. Who called me? Yes.
Mhm.
As soon as you say nani, you mean it is a question. The question is coming. Akoi kena. Where is he? Nkia. Hmm? Are we okay?
Yeah.
Mhm.
What? Okay.
Yeah. Nkia. Yes. Nkia is what? Nki is what as well. Yes. Nki. Kinamo. What is in it? Nkianzo. Let me try to practice Kikongo anyway. Can you read the first sentence? Just Kikongo one, please.
Yeah. Kwenda or kwenda, eh?
Well done. Kwendo kwende. Make that E because the vowels. Just drop the E, the A at the end of kwenda. I mean, when you're speaking.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Well, obviously,
Kwenda,
when you speak.
kwende.
Well done, yes.
Okay.
Then what I do a second line, please.
Nga utondele.
Well done. Kata David the third, please.
Nani umbokele.
Oh, be careful. Be careful. That's all.
Okay. Okay.
This is the catch. This is the catch. Be careful.
Right. Because if there's another breath and it sounds like I ended with a, then that's
No,
different.
that A is not the A we're talking about. No.
Right.
This is the verb itself. Go. Nani
Nani
umbokele. Nani umbokele. Yes.
nani umbokele.
Yeah. You don't
Mhm.
need to A. No.
Right.
No pitch. No pitch because it is a question. Let me just go back. Remember, nani is there. Nani is a pronoun, yeah? Nani is your question.
Mhm. Right.
Oh,
Good.
sorry. It's freezing my computer. Are we okay?
Mhm.
Okay. Got done everything. Oh, you done it already.
I can read it. Oh,
Nani
no.
sorry?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Nani umbokele. Yes. You don't need to A. No pitch. Akoi kena. That line one. Let's just leave it aside. Clear. Kianzo. What house? Yes. You don't say Kianzo, eh? No, Kianzo. Kinambo. That might be a question.
No.
You okay? Okay.
Kianzo is like the same as Kiatango, isn't it?
Sorry?
Kianzo is like Kiatango. What time is it? Kianzo.
Well done, yeah. Kiatang, what the time? Yes, well done, yeah. And Ki, try to remember how many are there. Just remember at least three of them. Nani, Nkia, and Ki. Try to remember these, we're going to apply it. Yeah?
What?
Nani, Nkia, and Ki. Nani, who?
What's
Yeah.
the interrogative prefix for when?
When? Oh yeah. In Kia, you're right. In Kia, Kiantango. What time?
Okay.
Kiantango. What was what time? What's the time? Kiantango. Tango. Same thing. Okay, I'm going to remove my slide. Remember, Nani, who, Kia, what, Ki, same thing, what? Are we okay? Yes. I hope. Please keep whenever we have a negative answer, use kilendi, then insistence. Are we okay? Yes. Lendi before your verb, insistence after verb. Are we clear on that? David?
Yes.
Yeah, that Mabiala. Are we clear on that? Negative.
In-
Yeah.
Say that again,
Yes.
sorry?
Are we clear on that? I'm saying I just want to make sure that we go there, we get there, we understand that.
Yeah,
Just
I
keep
understand.
using just keep using negative, lendi, and then insistence. Yes.
Okay.
It should become a habit. It should be okay. Good habit. Yeah. Okay. Remember nani kia ki. I'm going to move my slide. My 5. Then I'm going to tell you you're quiet. Questions? No?
No.
Are we clear? Nkia.
Very clear.
What is the time? What is the time? That I'm going to tell you Kikongo. Ask someone.
Nkia tata Mabiala. Nkia tangu.
Kiantangu, yeah. Kiantangu, yeah. That's fine. What is that? Yeah. Good. Kiantangu. That's one better. You can answer. You need to remember your number then. No. You're on mute. That's not you.
Oh. I
Kiantangwa. Remember your number. Tata Biala. Tata Nurdeni. Kiantangwa. Check your clock. What is the time?
It's 12. So
Yeah. Kikongo, please. Can you answer Kikongo?
Congo. Let me see.
Just make it easy. Just Ngunga. Let this is Ngunga. Ngunga is clock. Yeah? Ngunga is clock in Congo. Ngunga.
Gunga.
And Ngunga is clock in Congo. Ngunga.
So
Just say Ngunga, Kumi. Let me ask that. Someone's going to help us. I'm going to tell you. Ngunga. 12. Ngunga.
Gunga
Kumi.
sorry, not Gumi. Kumi Yezole.
Exactly. Yes.
can you say it again? Gunga.
Ngunga.
Kumi
Kumi Zole.
Kumi.
Kumi is Zole.
Yezole.
Kumi is 10. Zole is 2.
Okay. Gunga. Kumi.
Yezole.
Ezole.
Yezole, yes. Let me tell you, ask that David.
Tata David. Nkiantangwa.
I want to make it easy for you. I don't want the long sentence. Kiantangwa should be again. Kiantangwa. You could say Kiantangwa too now. What's time? Kiantangwa should be okay. Your time better, David.
Kumia Maku.
Kumi Zole.
Oh,
It's
sim.
12.
Kumia Mole.
It's 12.
Kumia Mole.
It's Zole, yeah, 12, yes.
Sorry.
That Mabiala. Ask Nengo Tadiwa. We don't know Zimbabwe time.
Nengwa Tadia. Kiatangu.
Kiantangwa, that's what, yeah. Ngunga.
Sambanu. How do you say 6:20? Like 20 minutes past 6.
Oh, don't worry about the minute. Just say time. It's fine. It's okay.
Okay.
Gunga.
Ngunga Sambanu.
Oh, Sambano. Oh, morning. Oh. Okay.
It's not the
Okay.
morning, it's the evening. Maybe.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, Ngonga Samba. Okay, let's put two digits. Yeah? Put
All the 2 digit ones.
100
Okay.
format. Yeah.
It's 18 minutes. Okay, so it's
Ngunga.
Ngunga 18 is Kumi Nana.
Kumi and Nana. Oh. Okay, 19. Okay, 7, yes? Yes. 7
18
p.m.
hours.
Yeah. Tata Mabiala. Nengo Tediwa, if you can you ask please? Can you ask Tata Mabiala, please?
Okay.
Time, yeah?
Tata Mabiala Nkiantangu.
Kentangwa. Yeah, that's my Kentangwa, yeah.
Ngunga
Mhm.
kumi yesambanu.
Kumi Sambano. I'm in
Mm.
London as well, I'm checking time. Kumi Sambano.
Mm.
Well done, yeah. Kumi Sambano, yes. Okay. Nengo Tediwa, okay, good idea. Carry on time and minutes. Let's say minuta. These come from Portuguese. Minuta. Yeah, minuta. Carry on. Let's say Nengo Tediwa. Kentangwa.
Okay, Ngunga Kumi Nana.
Yeah. Yeah, minuta.
Minuta Makumatatu Nana.
Wow, well done. Makuma tatu ya nana. Tata Mabiala, makuma tatu ya nana. Translation, please, into English. Makuma tatu ya nana.
Is that 39?
Is it correct? Tata Nerudeni.
38.
38.
Yeah, 30. Well done. Wow, bravo. Okay. Let me see if we can use the other one. Okay, Nani. Nani means Tata David. I think you were the person.
Who?
Yes, who? Yeah. Yes. Who are you? We have a Nani, then we have another. I won't say it's pronoun. We use it every day. Who are you? Ask translation to Kikomo. Can you try? Use the second person and you have your Nani there. Very easy.
Second person, Andy. Is that what it is? Let me see. Just Aku. So Nani.
No, you don't use suffixes. No. You don't use you're not pronoun. Mono is me.
Okay. Nani. R. We said we use it.
That David, can you translate that? I know you know that. Then you're going to kick yourself now. Tata David, who are you? It's just 2 words, Nikikongo. We have a Nani, then the personal pronoun, second singular.
Okay, do we simply say Nani Andy?
Keep in mind, these are suffixes. They're not. That's why I kept saying they're not pronoun as such.
Nani Tuna.
Yeah, good thinking. But I'll give you a hint. Mono is I.
Nge Nani.
Hey, bravo. Yes.
Oh, Ngeye.
Ngeye Nani. Who are you?
Nge Nani.
Yes. Then third singular, nengo tajua. Third singular. Who is he? Who is she?
Yandi nani.
Bravo. Yes?
Mhm.
And the nanny. I mean, it is informal, but it's fine.
So what's
Normally,
the formal way of saying
sorry?
it? What is the formal way of saying it?
The formal Tata David, the formal way would be, remember the first lesson, Kumbwaku. Carry on, Tata, maybe Kumbwaku.
Kumbwaku nani, what's your name?
Yes. Yeah, Tata David, yes. Kumbu is name. Kumbu.
Kumbu.
Kumbu is name. Aku, remember you know that Tata David. Aku is a suffixes. Kumbwaku nani. What
Nadi
is your name?
or Nani? Kumbuaku Nani or
Kumbuaku
Nani?
Nani.
Yeah. Oh, what is his name? Her name? Tata Noleni. Question Kikongo.
What is his name?
Is
Kumbuaku.
yeah.
No, Tata maybe 1 minute, please. So, Tata Noleni.
Kumbuaku.
This is the second person. We need the third.
Okay.
Singular.
Kumbuaku. Andy? Kwandi?
Aku is your second. Just remove Aku. You use your third.
Lu? Kalu?
Keep your Kumbu. Instead of Aku, use your third. You know that. I'm sure you know that.
Okay. Use the third. Andy. So Kumbuaku Kwandi?
You use it twice. You just using the third one. You don't Aku. You remove Aku.
Oh, okay. I see it. I'm already used. Kumbuandi.
Sorry.
Kumbuandi.
Yeah. Yes. Kumbandi.
Nani.
Bravo.
Kumbuandi. Nani.
That's it, David. Can you ask Mabiala? What you talk to him? Okay, I'm not give you the answer. You talk to him. You ask him, Tata Biala, what is your name? I mean, we'll go to formal way. Kumbu, eh?
Yeah. Kumbuani nani.
You're talking to him, Tata Biala. You're talking to him straight, Tata David.
Okay.
You use the second, not third. Remember, Ame, Aku, Andy, you're talking second.
Okay. Kumbuaku nani.
Bravo. Tata Biala, your answer, please.
Kumbuzame.
Can you start 1 minute? Follow the same pattern, Tata Mabiala. Kumbwaku, then you just remove the Aku. You use the first person.
Yeah, Kumbwame.
Bravo, Kumbwame, so and so. Tata Nurudeni, are you clear on that?
Yeah, Kumbuami.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Kumbwame, okay.
But you can say Kumbuzame as well, isn't it?
No. Kumbwame, me. Kumbwame.
Okay.
Kumbwame. I know, President Bell, what you say. That's why I keep saying we are learning Kikongo discuss at least based on what was written by Reverend Makonde and Professor Ezo Carter. And if you go back, we are learning from William, what's his name? Sorry, I forgot. Jean Lemvo and William. They are the people that wrote the first. Be careful, read my lips. As the English people say. I'm not saying the first Kikongo dictionary, but the first Kikongo dictionary in terms of teamwork. Yes. The first translation was can't remember the name now. Spanish to Kikongo, but this one was teamwork. I think almost 15 linguists based on at that time, and it took almost 10 years. Yes. So this is where we're based. Basically, what I display, where we are learning from. What I display is not for me. I'm not a linguist. This one is not me. It is from grammar. Let's just put it back. If you're watching, get this. That never did. Can you see this? Yes. This grammar. This is not me. This is from grammar written in 1885, 87. Yes. Long time ago. Yes. Yeah, these are grammar. I'm trying to display my. Okay. Give 1 minute. I need to display something else here because my PowerPoint is freezing. Let me use my. Just David, questions?
No, not at the moment.
Yeah, Nani, Nkia. What are you going to eat? Question. Remember, we learn Nani, we learn Kia and Ki, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What food? Let's put it this because in Kikongo is easier for you to translate. What food are you going to eat?
Food is Madya, isn't it?
Yes, your question now, please. You're using Kia and Ki and Nani.
Okay.
To you, Tadambiala,
Yeah,
yeah?
I don't remember the verb, the word for food. I remember jia is to eat.
Yes, Madya is food. Yes, Madya is food.
Madya?
It's food, yes.
Okay.
You have two options. Drop Nani.
In ki Madya jia.
And Kiamad and Kia. In this case, use Kia and Kiamad. Yeah, well done. Are you going to eat Kiamad? Yeah. What food are you going to eat? Remember our usual auxiliary for future. Remember?
Mukwende.
No, we're using the
Nina.
begin with S. Future. What are you going to eat? Kiamad. Yeah. Tata Nudani.
Is it Osinga?
Bravo.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Start from the beginning. The full sentence, please. What are you going to eat? What food are you going to eat? Let's just put it this way.
Me?
Yes, please. The question in Congo, yeah? What food are you going to eat? We're using Kia
Osinga. Kya Osinga Madya? Is it that?
Madya first.
Okay.
Go ahead. Kia Madya.
Kya Madya Osinga?
Osinga. Then you
Yeah.
the verb. Yes.
Kya
Are we
Madya
clear on that?
Osinga dia?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you clear? Yes.
Kia in Kia
Yes.
is who.
What?
Okay.
Nani is who? Nani.
Okay. So can you repeat the sentence then, please?
What was the question? Kiamadia, let's just go back to some
What are you going to eat? Repeat the question. What are you going to eat?
What food are you going to eat? Yes.
Can you repeat it? Mabiala. Tata Mabiala.
Kiamadia Osinga dia.
Yes. Kiamadia Osinga dia. Hello, Tata. Almost at end. You're right.
Oh man, I'm sorry I'm late. We're still moving, and so I still got a lot of junk around here. I gotta.
So no worries. Almost at the end.
Okay.
Tata
Mpanzu.
Yes.
The first part of the sentence in Kia, I'm trying to understand where that part is coming in the what do you want to eat?
Sorry, give 1 minute, sir. Are you okay with Kia, Ki, and Nani? That I know then, yes?
Yes. So, but according to what we said, I thought Nkia is who?
Nani is who? Nani is who?
Okay. So the first part of the sentence is Nkia, though, right?
Yeah,
Or am I
Kia,
saying-
Kia Madia, Osinga Dia.
Oh, it's not Nkia, it's Kia.
NK, yes? Where is the file? Remember, let me just put the.
Yeah.
I don't know which file I'm using. Kia Madia, my computer is freezing, not the right time. Where is the file? So I'm unable to touch my file. I don't know. Everything's freezing. Oh no. Yeah, okay. Kia Ki what? Nani who? That any rain, yes?
Nkia is what?
Yeah, in Kia Madia, what are you going to eat? Yes.
Okay.
Kia is what?
When do
Yes.
we use Nkia and when do we use just Nki without the A?
Very good questions.
Or do you have to use? Well, I guess you have to use the A because you have the N key right there.
Give 1 minute. I'm in trouble, man. Okay, anyway, we're going. Time is gone. We'll come back to this next Sunday. Remember, Nani, yes? Nani is there. Nani, yeah? Nani in Ki and Kia, yes? That's not ready. Are you there? Oh, it's on mute. That Henry, remember that basically in the Congo language, questions, I mean, all the questions, can you see my screen? That Andrew, yes?
Yeah. Yes,
That Andrew, can you read it, please, just for you to help you, not to help you.
I can see were you talking about where to read the
first paragraph, please.
Yes.
okay, the let me see if I can enlarge a little.
Small screen, okay, sorry.
Hold on, I'm gonna put it to the side so I can read it larger. The interrogative, if I'm saying that right, because it's kind of small.
Okay, don't worry, let them know that. Can you help, please?
Interrogative.
Yeah. The interrogative interjection is used at the end of an interrogative sentence, which has no interrogative pronouns or adverbs. A, Enki, Inkia, Nani, to mark its interrogative character, but when such interrogative adverbs or pronouns are present, it is not used.
Thank you very much. Basically, Kikongo language, the question is, when I say, Lunama Vimpi, get this at the hand. Lunama Vimpi, who can translate it? Lunama Vimpi. That Mabiala. Lunama Vimpi.
You are healthy.
Yes, you are fine. Okay. Then, if I'm asking, can you say that? If I'm asking, how do you pronounce it? The same sentence.
Luna mavimpi.
Yes. Tata, yes. Tata, Audrey, yeah.
Yeah.
Question. Same sentence. As soon as you put E at the end, becomes a question. Yes.
E at the end or E at the beginning?
At the end of the sentence. Yes.
Okay.
When I say Lunama Vimpi, I'm affirming. As soon as I put Lunama Vimpi, it is a question.
Okay, A as in EYI, right?
No. E. See the yellow.
Just E period.
Yeah, the yellow.
Okay.
The E. The top of E. Yes.
Okay.
Kikongo questions always ends with E, but this is the exception. When you use the key, when you use A in key, nkia, nani, you don't use E at the end. Yes.
Okay.
When
I wish I would have got here on time.
Now we were going back to this next Sunday. Because when you say nani, what was the question? I can't even remember the question. Nani.
Nani umbokele.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Yeah, Nani umbokele. Okay, Nani umbokele. Who called me?
Who called me?
Nani kumba kunani. Nani. Okay. Oh, I forgot the sentence. Okay, never mind. Okay, we're going back to that next sentence. Just remember this letter, Kikongo questions ends with A, high pitch, yeah? Lunama vimpie.
Okay. Almost sound like it's French.
This is a question. Lunama vimpie. But get the same sentence, no E at the end. Lunama vimpi. I'm affirming you are well.
Okay.
That's why the tonal language, they call it tonal language. Are you well? You are well. I'm affirming. Just by removing or inserting E, you're changing everything. Are we clear on that?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you
The E, to put the E at the end is asking a question.
It is a question, yeah. Except when you have in key, A in key, in kia, nani, at the beginning you don't use A at the end.
Okay.
Because nani, let's say nani is who. Who? So who is the question anyway? When you say start, as soon as you start who, you ask a question.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your time. Any questions, Tata Neudeni? You are hiding. No?
No question.
Oh, thank you very much for your time.
No questions on my side.
See you next Sunday. Someone is saying hello. Hello, Kembo. What is it? Kembo Tikian. Titondele. Okay, vive. Okay. Tutondele. Luenda Kiambote.
Nusa la Kiambote.
Okay.
Sala Kambote.
Tutondele.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dieno